I know it's been a long while. I did not upload anything. Lockdown है यार कुछ करने का मन ही नहीं कर रहा है. I don't know. So today I got these packages from Amazon for my reels. TikTok नहीं भैया जी, reels. Yes. So yes, these products are for my reels, like for fashion reels. थोड़े wardrobe organizer है. So yes, this video is going to be an unboxing kind of video.
तो चलिए शुरू करते हैं.
So welcome back to the channel everybody. I hope you guys are doing absolutely fine and well. I don't know तुम लोगों का कैसा जा रहा है लॉकडाउन. मेरा बहुत ही लेजी जा रहा है लॉकडाउन. Like it's been 20 to 20 days. Yeah, 20.
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
Not shoot anything for Instagram or YouTube. This is my first video in a month. I don't know why is that. I think I'll shoot today and bus. I only think. One of my friend has called in between and phone silent में था, so recording automatic stop हो गया है. So this is how it looks in final. Bas. This is a simple sweet. You can hang in your fanny bags, hats. I'll just show what all you can hang in here. So yes. This is how it is going to look after you hang everything. मेरे कुछ scarves वगैरह जो है वगैरह कुछ घर में पड़े हैं. So I bring it and you can you'll see all these things in my next like Instagram reels. If you're not following me on Instagram, link description में और आपको मालूम है क्या करना है. So yes, let's go on to the another product.